Firstly, select a proper area where you put on an open PPE. Spread a plastic cover on the ground and secure it with duct tape. The things required along with the PPE kit are wet wipes to clean the reusable PPE and the container box to keep the reusable PPE. So take a disposable cover and secure it in the wall nearby you to keep it ready to collect the contaminated PPE once after your work finishes. Before putting on PPE, remove your jewelry, watches, rings and keep in safe place. Firstly, put on your boot covers, secure it properly with the duct tape, and then while putting on your disposable coveralls, be careful that fabric should not be affected. Pull up the zip of the disposable coveralls till the chest level. Then wear respirator. It is a device worn over the mouth and nose to protect the respiratory system by filtering out dangerous substances from inhaled air. There are two types of respirators, that are disposable respirator and reusable respirator. While wearing disposable respirator, hold it in a hand, allowing the head strips hanging freely. Then take it and cover the nose and mouth with one hand, and with the other hand pull the elastic strip back of the head. The top strip should be above your ear pinna and the bottom strip should be below the ear. Now, using your hand, mount the plastic nose piece to the shape of your nose. If you are using reusable respirator, take and cover your mouth and nose, then pull back the strings, one below the ear and another above the ear. Tie the strips and adjust to your face. How to check whether respirator working or not? If you are using disposable respirator, place the hand on the respirator, exhale deeply. If you feel any air leak from the edge of the respirator, it's considered as the mask is not in a proper working condition. If you are using a reusable respirator, place the hand on each of the cartridge of the valve. Take a quick deep breath. If it is well sealed, the respirator will collapse inwards and you will not see any air passing between your skin and respirator. While checking this, readjust the respirator and check it again for the air leakage. Once you finish the wearing mask, then wear the goggles which will protect your eyes from the contaminated particles. Next, put your gloves on, and last item in put on PPE is to put on the hood cover to cover your head and secure it properly and zip it off fully. Once your work finishes, get back to the place where you don the PPE. Next, unzip the cover till your chest, then unroll your hood backward till the neck. Unzip the rest of the cover and remove the cover with keeping the hand back straight, and once you remove the arms, continue to roll the cover inside out till the leg. Now remove the leg from the cover and step back onto it and untie your boot cover and roll properly and dispose it in the disposable cover bag. While removing the glove, grasp the glove on one palm and near the wrist and hold on in the other hand and carefully peel the other palm glove with inside out and place both in the bag. Take a wet wipe, wipe your hands, dispose in the bag. Then remove the goggles, wipe with wet wipes and dispose the goggles also in the disposable bag. Finally, remove respirators. So removing the respirator last will protect you from all other PPE. Bow down your head and take out the strings without touching the front part. Just hold it near the edges of the mask The disposable respirator should be disposed immediately in the disposable bag. If the reusable respirator is there, remove it, open the valve, wipe the mask and separate the cartridge and store it separately. The filter should be disposed immediately as soon as possible. Remove the disposable bag and seal the first bag and put it in the other bag and tie it properly. Hold in 1/3 above the bag and tie properly with the duct tape. Then write contaminated PP above it.